I'm going to show you how to remove the Facebook dating shortcut on Facebook. So let's go ahead to our Facebook app, and you may have it at the very bottom of your screen here, at the very bottom where it says Reels and Friends and things like that. But if you go to the three lines at the top left-hand corner, you most likely will have it here under all of these shortcut options. As you see, dating is right there under community notes. We're going to go ahead and hide that or remove it. So let's scroll down and go navigate to our settings and privacy. And then you just want to go to your settings. So from your settings, you want to go down to where it says preferences and go ahead and click on tab bar. So under here, it's very simple. You just want to go to customize the bar. And as you see, dating here is pinned. It may also be on auto, but what you want to do is go ahead and click on the pin and go ahead and hit hide. And what that's going to do is it's going to hide it and it won't show it in your navigation bar. So go ahead and click hide. And then in a second or two, it will show up under your hidden. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to remove that dating.